What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the next video. Last time we left off needing some spacers for the rear wheel. I had two beautiful spacers made up at the machine shop that work perfectly. Made a couple different ones to get the right sizes, but we are good to move on there. We are also waiting on a lot of parts, so let's move into mail time. We have a ton of stuff here I'm very excited about. These two pieces I already bought. You've seen me go over these before. This is the chain guide, this is the chain guard, I refinished that. This is a major piece I was waiting on. This is for the rear brake drum. This is a sprocket for the front, and as you can see, it's rusty. I can fix that up, not a problem. But it's like the original packing. Brand new petcock assembly, fasteners for the heat shield, the correct ones. These are all for the chain guard, the chain guide. These are additional washers for the heat shield, drain bolt and crush washer, a little rubber stopper for the brake pedal, OEM grips, and a chain. A few other things to note: I ordered the Vortex ECU for the KTM, and then I got an email from Appalachia Off-Road MC that they're refunding me because it's out of stock. It's on back order till May 1st. So once I get that refund, I'll try to find another website to order that off of where it is in stock. Also struck out on the slip one. Went to order the FMF 4.1 or just a regular FMF. Can't find one. They're all in back order. They're all sold out. So that's kind of disappointing. But what is not disappointing, Gopro 8. Went ahead and set her up. This thing is very cool. Has a ton of features such as this. The buckle's built into the camera, fully waterproof. And I got the microphone adapter for it. I decided to order an actual official chin mount for the GoPro for my helmet, which should be here by the end of this video. So I'll also show you my new motovlogging setup. And as I was hoping to get another little action figure keychain in a different color with this shipment, it happened. Now we got a red guy. Haha. I'm about to put this on, but I gotta remove the shock. Basically, when you press the brake pedal, it doesn't pull the arm enough to actually engage the shoes. So we have to adjust that. I took the rod off of the dowel and took off the little wing nut. What we have to do is get this in the right position so that when you press the pedal, it hits at the right point. And we're going to use this for the fine tuning. See how that works? Then we have our new spring in here and the rubber stopper that's making contact with the case. See that? And it's stopping the wheel. We're gonna take a brief break from the bike work to show you the GoPro setup that I got in the mail. Excuse my voice, I have galls in my mouth. I got my wisdom teeth taken out. Fun stuff. Anyway, so we have the GoPro 8 Black mounted on here. My old setup was kind of gaudy. It had the same elbow-shaped design, except it had 4 or 5 of the actual twist-off screws in there. These ones are just little screws, so they don't have the big plastic piece sticking off. So before, it like had all these plastic pieces sticking off, and it was kind of ugly, but it's what I had at the time. I searched on Amazon. This was actually like 13 bucks, and it's a lot sleeker and it's simple. And then I just went to Lowe's and got some nice industrial Velcro to attach the microphone adapter, because you'll need one of those for the GoPro 8. And then naturally I'll just run my mic in, put the wires behind the cheek pad, and then use the little gator clip to just attach it to one of these vents in here. It's gonna be like 60, 65 today. I would love to go ride, but I just can't do it. I'm gonna be in too much pain with the cheek pads pushing on my cheeks, so it's gonna have to wait a couple weeks. But nice and simple, and I dig it. Here's the actual heat shield fasteners. They call it like a packing retainer. One goes on either side, followed by a washer and an OEM screw. Drain bolt, crush washer. Here's a beautiful shot of her out in the sun, in the daylight. I still have to put the petcock on the tank. We got grips to go on, throttle housing assembly. I could put the tank rubber cushion in. And there's just a few other pieces I need to buy. Levers are gonna be really expensive if I have to buy them piece by piece. I don't wanna put Chinese shit on here. There's a seat cushion for here that is out of stock. There's a Airbox band clamp that's out of stock. There's a front number plate cable guide that's out of stock. And I'm gonna need to find a new frame tag as well, because I destroyed the old one taking it off. But this is basically where we're at, guys. So I'm gonna change it up next video. We're gonna take a quick break from this. Maybe we'll do some work or mail time. I wanna get out on the KTM and test out the new GoPro, and actually get you guys a video of me riding the Supermoto, because I didn't give you that yet. Either way, 2021 is going to be a kick-ass year. So if you like today's video, you know what to do. If you're new, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.